Your English is not weak. Your mistakes are just untrained. Let me say that again. Your English is not weak. You just haven't corrected the right mistakes yet. Today, in the next 18 minutes, I will show you the most common English mistakes, why you keep making them, and how to fix them permanently. If you stay till the end, your English will sound clearer, smarter, and more confident. Let's fix your English step by step. Part 1. Stop saying he don't. Subject-verb mistakes. One of the most common mistakes. He don't like coffee. He doesn't like coffee. Why does this happen? Because in many languages, verbs don't change like this. But in English, when the subject is he, she, it, you must add s or use does. Examples: she go to school. She goes to school. It work fine. It works fine. Simple rule: if it is he, she, it, add s. Practice with me. She, so, play, plays. He, we're, eat, me, eats. Small mistake. Big difference. Part 2. Using did incorrectly. Many learners say, I did not went there. I did not go there. Why? Because after did, the verb must be in base form. Not went, not ate, not saw. Only go, eat, see. Examples: did you eat food? Did you eat food? She did not finish. She did not finish. Rule: after did, use V1, base verb. This one mistake alone can improve your spoken English immediately. Part 3. Confusing since and for. This is very common. I'm studying here since 2 years. I have been studying here for 2 years. Let's simplify. Use for a period of time. Use since for a starting point. Examples: for 2 years. For 5 days. For 10 minutes. Since 2020. Since Monday. Since morning. Also remember, when talking about something that started in the past and is still continuing, use have, has been. Example: I have been working here for 3 years. Part 4. Using very, too much. Many learners say, very big, very small, very good, very bad. English has stronger words. Instead of very big, huge, very small, tiny, very good, excellent, very bad and terrible. Using stronger words makes you sound more natural and confident. Example: the movie was very good. The movie was excellent. Small change. Powerful impression. Part 5. Thinking in your native language. This is the biggest problem. You first think in your language, then translate, then speak. That creates broken English. Instead, learn phrases, not words. Phrases. Instead of learning, agree. Learn, I completely agree. I agree with you. Instead of sorry, learn, I'm really sorry about that. That was my mistake. When you learn phrases, your brain stops translating, and your fluency increases naturally. Part 6. Fear of making mistakes. Now let me tell you something important. Mistakes are not your enemy. Silence is. Many people don't improve because they are afraid. They say, what if people laugh? What if I say something wrong? Listen carefully. Every fluent speaker you admire once said, he don't. I did not went. The only difference? They corrected themselves. English is not about perfection. It is about progress. Part 7. 3 daily habits to fix your English. Here are 3 simple habits. 1. Speak 5 minutes daily. Talk to yourself. Describe your day. Don't skip. To record your voice. Listen, find mistakes. Correct them. Painful, yes. Powerful? Absolutely. 3. Learn 5 correct sentences daily. Not 50 words. Just 5 correct sentences. Consistency beats intelligence. Let me end with this. You are not bad at English. You are just one correction away from confidence. Fix one mistake today, another tomorrow. In 30 days, you won't recognize your own progress. If this video helped you, comment below, "I am improving every day." And share this with someone who wants to speak better English. This is English Elevation, and we grow together. See you in the next video.